down the hatching house, and up to the pens of the big crocodiles. And after that, if you want to experience, to take pictures while holding a live crocodile, that's for 60 pesos only, limited shots using your cell phones and cameras. It's safe because the mouth is very big, it cannot bite you anymore. You'll get a chance to carry just a small crocodile, only 3 to 5 years old. Only small ones like this big. Okay. So before you proceed, I just want to introduce to you. So this is a real skeleton and skin of crocodile. He was named Rio, R-I-O, a male saltwater crocodile caught in the Yutuba River, Bataraza, that's in the southern part of Palawan. So he weighs about 600 kilograms and measured 70.6 feet or 5 meters long. He was purposely captured in August 4, 1990 because he attacked and killed a fisherman. It was confirmed that he swallowed the right leg of the victim. Only the right leg of the